Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. The date is Monday, April 6th. There's a high chance of rain, and it's going to be between 73 and 66 today. So, let's get our daily decision making done. Read about Amy. Circle the good social skills that Amy shows. Amy tells her teammates what they did well during the game. She gives them high fives and congratulates them for their good plays. She is always happy and positive. Sorry. So, we need to circle the things that she does well. So, high five, yells at friends, brags, tells others they did a good job, does not brag about winning, or says congratulations. So you're going to go back to your daily decision making and make those answer choices, okay? And also you can talk to your parents about some things that are good to do when you're playing sports. You know, how you would be a good sports player and you know, help people just help people and be a good teammate. Go ahead and log into PowerPoint or to decision making, problem solving, and I will talk to you guys later.